From Maharashtra, as Maharashtra continues to battle a spiraling number of cases, there is another challenge that has emerged in the state. That is the shortage of the anti-COVID drug remdesivir as well as tocilizumab in this particular region. Now, these are the drugs that are used for the treatment, that are currently used for the treatment of COVID, and as a result of the huge demand, the supply has not been able to be commensurate to that demand. There have been scores of people who are looking out for this drug. In fact, there are just 2 distributors who are supplying it in Mumbai, and they have not been able to keep up with the demand. In fact, the center has even asked all states and union territories to ensure that there is no black marketing of this extremely crucial drug.
ऑल द वे मीरा रोड से यहाँ पे आपको क्यों आना पड़ रहा है?
मेडिसिन किधर भी अवेलेबल नहीं, इधर ही अवेलेबल था इसके लिए, और इमरजेंसी भी था, पेशेंट की हालत भी क्रिटिकल है.
Our patient is in Vapi and they have searched in whole of the Gujarat district, but उनको गुजरात में तो कहीं मिल नहीं रहा है. I tried a lot. मैं मुंबई से हूँ, वाशी नवी मुंबई से. So I've come here and now with a very big queue, and now they are saying that the product is out of stock, the vials are out of stock.
अगर यहाँ पे खड़े हैं तो दे शुड बी इन्फॉर्मिंग अस कि बॉस कितना है, क्या है, वो तो क्लियरिटी है ना आपके पास. और अभी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं टोकन लिखो, और ये जो लाइन में खड़े 2-2 घंटा 3-3 घंटे से खड़े हैं यहाँ पे, सब होप में खड़े हैं, कोई कहाँ से आया, तो वो होना चाहिए सिस्टम कुछ.
हम न्यू बॉम्बे से आए हैं, जब भी कांटेक्ट किया तभी बोला स्टॉक है. अभी इधर लाइन में खड़े रहे तो बोल रहे हैं कि स्टॉक नहीं है.
Right, now there are only 2 suppliers of this drug currently, and Mirror now spoke to the pharmaceutical companies Cipla and Hetero, who are manufacturing and supplying these drugs. Remember, distributors are running out of supplies for these crucial drugs, and as Mirror now just said, there have been so many people who are waiting outside these distributors' shops, waiting and hoping to get some supply of these crucial medicines, but with no such luck since the supplies are fast running out. Disha joins us for more on this. Now, Disha, we got in touch with both the companies and these distributors. What are they telling you as far as the increase of supply to match this demand is concerned?
Well, Aarti, as we all know, these 2 antiviral drugs right now are on experimental basis, used specifically for the moderate to critically ill COVID patients here in the city of Mumbai. In fact, when we spoke to both of the companies here, Cipla as well as Hetero, what they said that currently, in the last couple of days, at least if you talk about one of the important medicine, that is remdesivir, that they have supplied at least roughly about 8,000 here in the city of Mumbai, in the hospitals, because all of this particular medicine is not being supplied to any of the distributor here, but only to the hospitals and to the BMC as well as the private run hospitals. So this, of course, they are planning to increase the capacity to at least 2,500 to 3,000 in the coming days. So by next week, the city of Mumbai will have at least 3,000 more vials is what the companies are stating. If you talk about the second most important injection here, which is called as a tocilizumab, that is also one of the critical, of course, injection which the doctors say. It is 40,000 rupees per injection, which currently all of these distributors are out of stock. They do not really know when the new stock will come in, but the companies tell us that at least by next week they should have more stock of these injections supplied here in the city of Mumbai. So here the entire picture, Aarti, for our viewers. These 2 basically medicines, drugs if you can talk about, specifically the tocilizumab, is being sold only from the distributor's end. So right now, as you can see, we are at SK Pharmaceutical store, which is in the Ghatkopar eastern suburbs of Mumbai. And this particular store had received the particular injection 2 days ago, and within 24 hours, the entire stock was over. And now they do not really know by when the new stock will come in. So here, of course, the demand is more and the supply is less. And the companies both, when we got in touch, they say that more supply will definitely come in. As far as remdesivir is concerned, at least 3,000 more vials will be supplied to private hospitals next week, which can meet at least 600 patients requirement. So here on the ground level, we are looking at how people are running from pillar to post, from one stockist to another, from one, of course, pharmaceutical store to another. People coming in not only from within Mumbai areas, but from outside of Mumbai as well, like Kalyan, Mira Road. One of the patient who we actually spoke yesterday, relative, the patient is admitted in Gujarat, and there in none of the major cities they actually could get that particular vial. So they had to literally ask the relative here who stays in Vashi to come over here and get the drug, but he couldn't get it as it was out of stock. So these are some ground level concerns that we are looking at. Definitely, as far as BMC hospitals are concerned, there is no shortage is what the BMC is claiming. But if you talk about directly patients, private hospitals asking patients, relatives to come and buy these from these distributors, they do not really have that kind of stock available, Aarti.
Right, Disha, it is a worrying situation, no doubt, but as you're saying, hopefully there will be more stocks coming in next week. The BMC, as usual, claims all is well, but on the ground, the situation is far from okay. Just quickly, for the viewers who are watching, who unfortunately might have some relatives or loved ones who are looking for these drugs, what is the current procedure? How do they get hold of these drugs right now if they need it before the stock is replenished?
Aarti, what exactly a person can do in this situation if a relative is admitted in a BMC-run hospital, and if the hospital really runs out of stock as far as tocilizumab is concerned, then in such cases they should actually approach the distributor. They can give their contact details, and as soon as the stock really comes in, the distributor will give a call. That is what the distributors are claiming that they have been doing in the last 2 days. Apart from that, private hospitals do claim that yes, there is a shortage, but there is availability of remdesivir as far as that drug is concerned. So there is no dearth as far as that, and patients are not being really denied, because at the end of the day, not every patient needs these injections, Aarti. Only moderate to critical patients who are in dire need, only for those patients. So just if you do not really have, BMC says that to get in touch with the ward officer in concern, if there are any complaints, if there is any black marketing issue also which is going on, then you can directly get in touch with the complaint number that they have actually put up on the website.
Right, Disha, thanks so much for that. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this. The government, as we are saying, claims that all is well, but the situation on ground far from that. Disha, thanks so much for joining us.